In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image Mailchimp. We'll walk through the Mailchimp editor and place live editable text right on top of an image so your message looks polished and stays readable across devices. Start by heading to Mailchimp.com and opening the campaign you want to work on. From the main dashboard, go to Campaigns, then choose an existing draft you've already started. Open that draft and enter the editor by selecting Edit, followed by Edit Design. This brings up the visual builder where you can add and arrange content blocks. In the content panel, find the paragraph block. This is the block we'll use for the text that will sit over the image. Click and drag that paragraph block toward your layout. As you drag, hover directly over the image area where you want the text to appear. Wait for the placement guides to show that you're targeting the image region, then drop the block. If it tries to snap above or below the image, slow down near the middle of the image until you see a clear drop target. Some templates support overlay more readily than others, so using a section that's designed for image and text layering can make placement easier. With the paragraph block now over the image, type your text. Keep it concise and scannable. Short headings or a brief call to action work best. Use the styling tools to set the font, size, weight, color, and alignment. Aim for strong contrast against the image. Dark text over a light area or light text over a dark area improves readability. If your design tools offer a background color or highlight for the text block, a subtle semi-transparent overlay behind the words can dramatically boost contrast while letting the image show through. Adjust padding so the text has breathing room and doesn't hug the edges. Fine-tune the look by tweaking line height and letter spacing so multi-line text remains legible. If the overlay covers an important part of the photo, reposition the block or crop the image so the focal point remains visible. You can also turn your text into a link using the link option in the toolbar, which is great for calls to action. Check how everything looks on mobile using the device preview inside the editor. Centered text often scales more gracefully on small screens. Remember that email clients handle images differently, so avoid relying on tiny, intricate photos beneath important text. Add descriptive alt text to the image itself for accessibility, and keep the most critical message in the actual text block, not baked into the picture. That's all there is to it. Add a paragraph block, drag it over your image, and compose clean, high contrast copy that stands out.